Question 3. Estimate the area of the shape drawn above on a square grid if the area of each square is 1 centimetre squared. Okay, so that's a useful bit of information there. This is a 2-mark question. For this you have to provide evidence, you get 1 mark for doing this, that you've counted the squares. So the easiest way to do this is write in the whole squares. So this isn't a whole square as yet, that's not a full square. So this here is my first full square at the top of the shape. So I'm going to write 1. The next one, 2, 3, 4. I'll say that's a whole square, there's only a teensy-weensy bit off the top. 5, that's not a whole square, and so on for the rest of the shape. Again, there's only a teeny bit left off here. So this means that we also don't lose count as well. We can clearly see that we've got up to 35 whole squares at the minute, which would be 35 centimetres squared. Okay, so now this part is like a bit of a jigsaw. We put together the shapes that we think would make a whole square. So I can see now that these 2 triangles here, this one is half of the square and this one is half of that square. So if I put them together, that would make 1 whole square. So now, 35 was my last one. Now, with these 2 here, I'm up to 36. Okay, we can carry on doing this because these 2 are halves. Just going to shade in the ones that I've done so I don't forget them. These 2 would make 37. Again, these are both halves. So these 2 would make 38 whole squares. This here is another half. I'm going to see if this is a half here, roughly. So those would make 39. This is also 39. I think that this one here, if I put it together with this one, that would make 40. And this one was also 40. If I put these 2 together, that would give me 41. This one and this one would give me 42. This one and maybe this one. $43. $44. $45. And we'd say that'd be a little bit over, but roughly 46. So I've counted all of the space inside this shape to give me 46 centimetres squared. So as we said earlier, you get 1 mark if you show that you've counted the squares inside. So if you've written numbers in the squares, they will give you 1 mark. That's a nice easy mark there. And then you get the second mark for your accuracy. So in this question, the examiner would have allowed anything from 46 to 52 centimetres squared. So I've just got that at 46 there. Okay.